What is the difference between Excel Auto Protect and American Dream Auto Protect? We offer better coverage, a fast and easy claims process. We don't hide behind our phones when customers really need us. We don't post organic reviews, and we do not find excuses not to pay claims. Do not fall for that animated marketing video on their website. Not one word of it is true. American Dream will be your American nightmare. At Excel Auto Protect, our customers is our priority. What is the difference between Excel Auto Protect and Endurance Warranty Services? If you call us, we will provide you a quote by email or by phone. Endurance Warranty Services will not. Endurance wants you to purchase coverage and then you will see a contract. If you look up Endurance Warranty Services on the BBB, there is currently an alert for a pattern of business practices. We encourage you to read the alert for yourselves. Ask yourself this question: will I endure with Endurance? An extended warranty is an investment, and it is critical you buy from a company who will honor your contract. We value our customers, and the performance and the sustainability of their vehicles is our top priority. If you are looking for a warranty company that will pay your covered claims, you do not have to look any further. Sign up and join the Excel Auto Protect family. What are you waiting for?